Ever seen someone on Instagram, just like you, sharing how they made their first lakh, not by investing, but by selling what they know? Meet Priya from Pune, who turned her digital art hobby into a course and now earns more than her pocket money. Or Rohan from Delhi, who packaged his CAT exam strategies and sold them to other aspirants. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening right now, and it's accessible to you. The game changer, artificial intelligence. Gone are the days when you needed fancy degrees or expensive equipment to create a course. Today, all you need is a laptop, internet, and a willingness to learn. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva are your personal assistants, helping you write, design, and structure your course for free. You don't need to be a tech wizard, just have a skill or passion others want to learn. Think, what are you good at? Fitness tips, video editing hacks, money management, or interview prep. These aren't just hobbies, they're potential courses and income streams. Someone out there is searching for the knowledge you already have. Your experience is valuable. Let's stop just consuming content and start creating it. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building something of your own. This guide will show you step by step how to turn your idea into a course that sells. No jargon, no complicated steps, just a clear path to becoming a creator. Ready to begin? The first step, decide what you'll teach. Don't invent something new. Look at what people are already searching for. Digital marketing, stock market basics, job interview prep, or smartphone video editing. Your course should solve a real problem or fulfill a need. Reflect on your own journey. Did you lose weight, learn coding, or ace interviews? That's a course idea. List 10 things you're good at. Don't judge, just write. Your story and perspective make your course unique. Next, validate your ideas. Check platforms like Udemy or YouTube. Are there similar courses? Good. That means there's demand. Don't fear competition. It proves there's a market. Read reviews of existing courses. What do students love? What's missing? That's your opportunity. Choose the topic you're most passionate about and can talk about for hours. Narrow it down. Mutual fund investing for 20-somethings is better than how to be rich. Specific topics attract specific audiences who are more likely to buy. Pick the idea that excites you most. This is the foundation of your creator journey. Your passion and experience will set your course apart. Let's build your empire one idea at a time. Got your idea? Now, how do you structure a course? Enter AI. ChatGPT is your 24/7 course creation expert. Don't stare at a blank page. Ask ChatGPT for help. Give it a clear prompt. Act as an expert course creator. I want to make a beginner's course on mutual fund investing for 20-somethings for Indian youth. Generate a detailed outline with 5 modules. Instantly, you'll get a professional outline covering all essentials. Use ChatGPT to flesh out each lesson. For example, write a simple script for what is an SIP for beginners. The AI breaks down complex ideas into easy language, saving you hours. But remember, AI is your first draft. Add your stories and personality. Personal touches like sharing your first SIP experience build trust. Use AI to overcome writer's block, then make the content yours. This combo, AI structure and your voice, is unbeatable. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you add the magic. Your unique perspective is what students will remember. Your content is ready. Now make it look great. Canva is your free, easy-to-use design tool. Choose a template that fits your course vibe. Clean and professional for finance, playful for creative topics. Customize colors and fonts for a consistent, polished look. Don't copy-paste paragraphs. Use bullet points and keywords. Each slide should have one key idea, supported by visuals or icons. Canva's AI tools can summarize text and provide free images. Slides are visual aids. Your voice is what matters most. Keep text large, colors high contrast, and graphics simple. With Canva, you'll have pro-looking slides. No design experience needed. Time to record. No fancy studio needed, just your laptop or phone. Use free tools like Loom or your device's screen recorder. Find a quiet spot, use your phone's earphones, and speak with energy. Authenticity beats perfection. Students connect with your real voice. Record one lesson at a time. It's less overwhelming. Upload your videos to Indian platforms like Graphy, Rigi, or Tagmango. Set an affordable price. Rs $4.99 to Rs $9.99 is a great start. These platforms handle payments and hosting, so you focus on teaching. Your first sales and testimonials will boost your confidence and credibility. Creating a course is just half the battle. Now get it seen. Use Instagram to build an audience for free. Post reels on your topic, quick tips, common mistakes, or simple explanations. Use relevant hashtags to reach your target audience. Stuck on captions? Ask ChatGPT for catchy, engaging text. Consistently provide value before pitching your course. After a few weeks, announce your course in your bio and posts. Share testimonials and do Q&As to build trust. Build relationships first. When people trust you, they'll buy. Start creating, start sharing, and turn your knowledge into income.